So open the TinkerCad and click the create and create a new circuit. So here is our working space where we can drag our breadboard and Arduino. So on the right side, open the drop down menu and select the Arduino. Drag and place the breadboard into the workspace. Click on the code button to view the program uploaded in the Arduino. By default, the program is displayed in blocks, but we can switch to text-based coding by selecting text from the menu. So here we can see the code. Let's test Arduino Uno board if it's working. So click the start. So as we can see, the light is blinking. It indicates that the microcontroller is working. So now let's modify the code to adjust the LED's blinking speed by changing the timer. Then now let's add a LED. The LED is connected to pin 13 of the Arduino. And now let's insert some resistor. So now let us start the simulation to see if it's working. So now we can see the LED is blinking